Tomorrow you're going to be going to the GP room and they're going to talk about health. They're going to talk about health, about eating healthy. And it's under the acronym called WOW, WOW. And I decided to read this book to you, Cooking with You. Cooking with You is written by Ellen Whisenant, and it talks about a girl and her parent deciding what to create in the kitchen to cook for the meal. So today, Mimi and I are making dinner for Mama. But what should we cook? We decide to make Mama's favorite, and it's baked chicken, sweet potatoes with cinnamon, green beans with almonds, bread, and for dessert, peaches with cream. Now let's look at this food. Then we're off to the grocery store. And if you notice in the picture, you can tell that her mom and her are not on their car, they're on the bus, like a transportation bus, not a school bus. It has to be a transportation bus where you pay to get on and off the bus. So they're going to somewhere to get what they need. What would that place be? What? You said what? Supermarket. That's true. When we're done, we pay at the checkout and get to have a yummy treat. Now, look at this. If I see this and the belt is on the top, most likely, boys and girls, this is the supermarket. The what? The supermarket. I can tell by the cart, I can tell by the belt and the lady that works there. So, we're ready with the groceries and Mommy has paid. Let's see what they have at home. Back home, we unpack the bags. And what are some of the things that she unpacks? We have eggs, bananas, bread, and carrots. Well, some of these things will be used and others won't. Time to get cooking. It's fun to work together. So if you see the girl, you'll see her here working with the string beans, while Mom is working with the chicken, and I'm assuming she's putting it in the oven, right? She's also working with the peaches. I see peaches here, so that's good. And that's how Mom, and sometimes Dad, they cook too. They prepare a meal for the family. After that, we set the table. Everything smells delicious. So, have you ever set up the table like this here? You know, you put the mat, you put a napkin, you put utensils like spoons, forks, and knives, and glass cups, right? Have you ever done that? That's some way to help Mom. And look how it's all set. Now they bring all the big dishes with the food. You see? Now they have the baked chicken, they have the bread, they have the string beans with almonds, and I'm assuming these are the sweet potatoes because these look like peaches right here. And we're ready to eat. Pretty soon, Mama's home. Surprise, Aunt Amora. Grandpa and my brother Marco dropped by too. You see? This is her mom. So this is her aunt. But they also have other visitors coming in to eat. It's always good to have extra food just in case if somebody walks in and is hungry. Good thing we made enough food to share. And of course, if you've noticed, the table has plenty of food, plenty to eat, plenty to share, plenty for everybody to have a good meal. And that is it, boys and girls. That is how you are cooking at home. Make a self-to-text connection and think about it. What have I cooked with my mom at home? Has it been breakfast? Has it been a lunch? Or maybe a dinner? Talk about it with your friends. Talk it to your teachers. Share, because smart is not something you are. Smart is something you always and definitely will always be getting.